It's been raining in Manila. Ay teka, Dubai pala. Hindi nyo ba namimiss yung vintage Andre Blatch performance? It's been a while. Kamustahin natin ang redemption game ni Kuya Dre kontra Alwada matapos mabokya noong unang laro. Pero bago natin pag-usapan, palike naman ng ating video bilang suporta. Mag-enjoy at kumita sa endless basketball actions gamit ang 1xBet. Mag-register sa link sa comment section at gamitin ang ating promo code na BUCKET. Available na rin to sa Play Store at Apple App Store. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, bet responsibly. Off the bench ulit si Andre at bandang 4 minutes sa first pinasok. As usual, sa top of the key yan mag-ooperate. Either pick and pop or his signature dribble drive. Ang unang attempt, buckets kaagad kay Blatch. Sinundan pa ng isang spot-up 3-pointer sa top of the key. Dahil dyan, nabuhayan ng kumpiyansa at tumawag ng ISO play, taking the defender off the dribble, forcing his way through traffic for the 2 points. Yan ang vintage Andre Blatch, 8 points sa first quarter. Ito yung naging go-to niya sa laro, pop sabay up fake at salaksak. Paminsan-minsan humihingi na rin ng bola sa poste, pero focus niya pa rin is to create shots for himself and for the team. Usapang depensa, ganun pa rin as last game, liability. Dahil na rin sa edad at timbang, out-hustled palagi. Pero in this game, extra aggressive si Blatch dumepensa at may mga flashes of his old self sa ilang magagandang defensive sequences na ginawa niya. Nakakuha pa nga siya ng 3 steals. Kumpara last game, excluding the issues of father time, ibang level ang confidence ni Andre. It looks like he is enjoying basketball again, and everything started to fall into place. From 0 points last game, nagtala si Blatch ng 12 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 3 steals. Sabi na despite the conditioning issues, mafi-figure out din ni Andre Blatch kung paano mag-contribute sa strong group. Panoorin nyo yung first game analysis natin sa kanya at tignan kung gaano kalaki ang inimprove ni Kuya Dre. Hindi rin biro ang pinagdaanan ng tao, and to see him perform like the Andre Blatch of old can make a grown man cry. Kaya kayo mga idol, in 1 to 10, anong rating nyo sa vintage performance ni Andre Blatch kontra Alwada? Join the conversation, magkomento lamang sa ibaba.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video, please like, share, and subscribe. I-follow mo na rin ang ating social media platforms for more exclusive sports content. Until then, this has been Courtside Buckets. See you on the next one.